What's going on, guys? We are back in the shop here. I've got Garrett, one of our engineers, with me. We are going to be going over a new product we've got coming out. Now, this product is for our SDHQ built 4Runner hidden winch mount. What we've got here is an upgrade kit for that. This upgrade kit is going to be coming with all of our new 4Runner hidden winch mounts, but don't worry, for you guys that already have our SDHQ built hidden winch mount, we've made this as a solo kit, something that you guys can order by itself and bolt right on. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go over what comes in this kit and how to get it on the truck. Now, first we have to gather all of our tools. To start, we're gonna need a 14mm wrench. We are going to need a ratchet of your choosing. We're gonna need a 14mm socket, a 17mm socket, and a 19mm socket. Now we've got our parts laid out, our tools here and ready. We brought in our 4Runner that's already got our hidden winch mount on it. We got it on the lift. Let's get it up and get these parts installed. So we got our 4Runner up in the air, but Garrett, we've already got recovery points on the 4Runner.
Actually, those are factory tow eyelets. They're meant for emergency situations where if your vehicle breaks down, you might need to get flat towed out of there. So they're meant for continuous light loads on there, but they aren't rated for recovery points. Our lower support braces that are what we're bolting up to our hidden winch mount here are rated for recoveries, and they're made out of 1/2-inch plate material, as you can see right here. And they're also braced with this piece right here to handle side loading recoveries if you need to pull from a 45-degree angle or anything like that. And they will handle any recovery points and issues that you need from there.
And Garrett, what can happen if I decide that I do want to try and use a bubble rope on this or yank this out of something stuck? If I use the factory one, what am I looking
at? If you try to use a factory tow eyelet like this, you risk running into frame damage and things like that. With our brackets, it'll keep all the force up in the winch mount and away from your frame, keeping your frame nice and straight.
Makes sense to me. Garrett, let's get these on the truck, get this thing upgraded. Garrett, I've got my stock piece off. Can you tell me some of the main differences between this little guy and what we've got here? Like, how thick is that thing?
Your stock lower support bracket is going to be 3/16 thick, which is plenty thick enough to handle the loads of our hidden winch mount and any recovery that you will be doing with that. But we decided to upgrade our new ones to 1/2 inch since we will be adding a new recovery load on there. That way we're more than safe when it comes to performing our winch mount duties as well as acting as a recovery point. As well as beefing up our recovery point to 1/2 inch. We've also added a secondary mount here that will help with side loading, so that it'll help with rotational forces when doing those 45-degree recovery angles that we talked about earlier.
So just to be clear, this is not a requirement for those guys that already have our hidden winch mount. Nope. As it's set up with just a hidden winch mount, it's perfect. It'll do everything you need, all of your winching, all of that. What this is an upgrade for those who want to be able to recover from it. Am I right?
Yep, just to make sure you're able to get out of anywhere you get stuck in and get out safely without hurting your vehicle.
Cool. So now I'm going to get ready to put this new unit in here. Do I have to reuse any hardware, or is everything included?
If you're purchasing one of our upgrade kits, meaning you already have one of our hidden winch mounts, you need to save your washers that you used on when installing your initial winch mount. All the longer hardware that you needed for the install will be provided. And if you buy a brand new hidden winch mount, all new hardware, lengths, and washers will be provided. Nothing to worry about on your end with that.
Awesome. Let's finish this install up. And for reassembly, you're gonna need a 19mm wrench. And just like that, we've got this upgrade kit bolted up. We're ready to hit the trails. Now remember, all of our new 4Runner hidden winch mount kits are going to come with this upgrade kit. For you guys that already have our kit, make sure to check out our website and get one on order for yourself. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.